One mistake guys make, or people in general make, is when they assume that every piston ring that comes out of this box is ready for install. Just like that, every ring gets checked before assembly. I'm measuring the ring end gap to make sure it's within spec. Yeah, that's the one. And just like that, we already measured pistons 1 through piston 3, and now we're on piston 4. Just like that, you guys got to write everything down. Everything's been recorded and we're ready to move on to the next step. Slowly but surely, we're almost there, boys.